This is Harry Vogel, Sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Happy countries. There's just been a survey released of the happiest countries in the world. And Australia, unfortunately, came in at number 11, with New Zealand at number 12. And some of the other countries, such as Sweden and Norway and Luxembourg, are on top of the list where we used to be. And the reason seems to be for that those countries refuse to take in people who refuse to assimilate with them, and then got rid of anybody that was causing that country to be unhappy and removed them from those countries. And where did those people go? And where are all the new age angry people who hate their own land and bring their problems to happy lands coming to? Yep, you guessed it, Australia. And our powers that be, Mr. Elbow Sleazy, has opened the floodgates. They don't even have to come on boats anymore. He's opened the door and they're flying in en masse. And Australia within the next 10 years will probably be number 30 of the happiest countries in the world. God help us. This is Harry Vogel.